Twinkl is an amazing resource for educators because it saves so much time. There are ready-made educational resources for just about anything that you can think of, and they're all available at the click of a button. But with so many resources available, how can you find specifically what you're looking for? And what's the most efficient way to go about it? I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can find things on the Twinkl website. Once you're logged into the Twinkl website, you'll see a range of categories along the top. Click on the one most relevant to you and then follow the categories until you found what you're looking for. For example, if I was a Year 4 teacher looking for STEM activities, I'd select Years 3 and 4, STEM, then browse what was there. Looking to the left of the page, you can find more specific categories. So for instance, if I wanted some activities that focus on physics, I could click on physical sciences and even narrow it down further if I wanted to. Let's say I wanted STEM resources on heat. And here we have all of the resources that fit in that category. There are also categories for teachers' aides, private tutors, prac teachers, and parents. So click on the one most relevant to you. Option 2 is the search bar. This is a super easy and quick way to find whatever you're after. Just type in some keywords that fit what you're after and hit search. There's a couple of magical words that you can type in the search bar as well that will take you to different products. For example, if you type planet into the search bar, it will take you directly to Twinkl's collection of lesson plans and packs. Rhino readers will take you to the Rhino reading scheme. Phonics will take you to the phonics resources. Yum will take you to the food related resources on how to have a healthy diet. Parents will take you directly to the Parents Hub, so on and so forth. Option 3 is to scroll down. At the bottom of nearly any page on the Twinkl website, you will find categories for the different products available. Clicking on any of these will take you directly to resources of that type, whether you're looking for crafts, puzzles, board games, lesson videos, planners, stickers, or anything else you can think of. Option 4 is the curriculum browser. To use the curriculum browser, just type curriculum browser into the search bar. Here you can see some different states and Australia. So we're going to look at the Australian curriculum for English as an example. Click on what year you're teaching and then on a descriptor for a selection of resources to help you teach it. Remember, if you'd like to see what Twinkl is all about but you're not a paying member, you can always sign up for a free account. There are taster packs available and regular free webinars that you can get involved in. You don't need to be a member to hear about our webinars, but we do talk about them on our social media platforms and in our newsletter. So you might want to follow some of those if you want to stay in the loop. Otherwise, they are all recorded and uploaded to our Twinkl Australia YouTube channel. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss one. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.